Beauty tips for men are hard to find these days. In a world where the spotlight often shines on women's beauty routines, men's grooming and self care is often overlooked and not talked about enough. Today, the tide is turning, and more men are starting to embrace the importance of self presentation and self care. So, this is Darren from Darren's Beauty Shop, and today I'm going to reveal my top 5 beauty tips for men, ranging from skincare to hair care to help every man put his best face forward. So, number one on the list, always cleanse skin deep, foundation of male beauty. Skincare is not just for women. Men need to pay attention to their skin too. Your skin is the largest organ of the body, which makes it the foundation for all other grooming and self care regimens. So, the first step is a golden rule: cleanse, moisturize, and protect. A simple cleansing skincare routine that includes a gentle cleanser, a hydrating moisturizer, and a broad spectrum sunscreen. So these steps help to keep the skin clean, hydrated, and shielded from the sun's harmful rays, preventing premature aging. So remember, your skin reflects your overall health. So always eat a well balanced diet, drink plenty of water, and get enough sleep to maintain a healthy, radiant complexion. Well, let's talk about the haircut. Number two. So, your hairstyle can significantly impact your overall appearance. Regular hair maintenance is crucial, starting with a well suited haircut that complements your face shape and your personal style. Keep your hair and your scalp looking its best. Use quality shampoo and conditioner suitable for your hair type. If you have a beard, invest in a good beard oil to keep it soft and well groomed. Do you like to rock braids, twist, or dreads? We're glad to see you embracing your cultural styles, my brother. Consider using styling products such as pomades or beeswax to add a polished finish to your locks, and regular trims and occasional deep conditioning treatments to keep your locks healthy and vibrant also. Okay, so tip number 3 is manscaping mastery, the art of grooming. So grooming extends well beyond skincare and hair care to include proper manscaping. So unkept facial hair, body hair can detract from an otherwise polished appearance. So define your beard or opt for a clean shaven look based on your preference. Keep your eyebrows neat and don't forget that pesky nose hair and that ear hair. You know? And these small details make a big difference. So invest in a quality trimmer for precision grooming and be sure to keep it clean for optimal performance. Manscaping isn't about conforming to what society says is beautiful. It's about feeling comfortable and confident in your own skin and your own style, right? So, number 4, one of my favorites, dress for success, power of fashion. So, as I said before, beauty isn't solely about skincare and grooming, it also extends to your sense of style. So, dressing well enhances your overall appearance and it boosts your self confidence. So, note to self: understand your body type and choose clothing that flattens your physique. Invest in a few timeless pieces that can be mixed and matched, creating a versatile wardrobe. Also, you want to accessorize wisely. Details such as a well chosen watch, a stylish pair of sunglasses, or a classic belt, all that can be found here at darrensbeautyshop.com. All those things can elevate your look. So pay attention to grooming also. What I mean by that is you're retired, making sure that the clothes are clean, they're well fitted, and in good condition. You don't want to be walking around here and you got lint balls all on your sweater and stuff, right? All right. And coming in at number 5 of many more to come of beauty tips for men is you want to sweat it out. Physical fitness and well-being, right? So physical health is a crucial component of health, and regular exercise is a key to a healthy body and mind. So engage in activities you enjoy, whether it's hitting the gym or running or shoot some hoops, you know. Exercise not only improves your physique, but it also enhances your mood, it reduces stress, and it promotes better sleep. So all factors that contribute to a radiant and attractive appearance. So a combined balanced workout routine with a nutritious diet will fuel your body from the inside out. Foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants also support a healthy skin and hair and overall well-being. So after a good workout, you want to hit that shower. And when you shower, you should always moisturize after showering. Good facial moisturizer can help prevent wrinkles and reduce redness. And a good body lotion will help reduce dry, rough patches on your elbows and heels. That goes without saying, right? So, one thing I do have to keep in mind or remind you of is it's the ingredients that determine whether or not your moisturizer is in it. You know, my saying is petrolatum and mineral oil. Those are no-nos. Those are bad ingredients in my book. They'll cause a greasy feeling and really do nothing for your skin. Natural ingredients like grapeseed oil, olive oil, jojoba oil are the best choices. So, so remember, beauty is not about conforming to everything you see out there on social media and on television. It's about feeling confident and comfortable in your own skin, right? So, gentlemen, embrace these tips, make them your own, and let your physical or your unique handsome shine through, right? So, Darren's beauty tips for men are not just a trend, they are a lifestyle choice that will leave you looking and feeling your best. So, if you enjoyed the content, please like, share, subscribe. And as always, stay beautiful, my friend. Peace.